Hey, how are we doing today, guys? Right then, so after having a look at the extraction system, the cyclone, all the other little bits and pieces, I had a chat with a couple of you guys on Instagram, and this is sort of the idea that we've come up with. Let's see. What do you think to the technical drawing we've done there, look, hey? I mean, I could explain it. I don't think it needs any more explanation, but we'll give you one anyway, right? So here we go. This is what we got. So we've got the 6-inch mainline down pipe here. We're going to keep this T. Initially, we thought about dropping it like in this sort of area, but it seems a lot of work for not a lot of gain. So what we're going to try and do is run this drop down as it is. We're going to stick a blast gate in here. Then we're going to pull it down, and right about here, just below this, whereas now it comes down and into the extractor, we're going to come out just underneath this T-piece with a 45, I think, or we're going to come straight out here. I've got a right angle kicking around, so we're going to come out straight into the side of the drum. The idea being it's going to be like a Thien baffle thing. I guess that's what you guys call it. So it's going to come out here. We're going to have a big 120 litre drum here. So it'll go into the side, because I watched a Matthias Wandel video, I think that's how you spell his name, and his goes in from the side. I know a bunch of them just go straight down from the top, but we're going to try the side, because we've got the laser machine, we've got the CAD program, so we can make it real nice. So in from the side, it's going to come down, blast gate down, in from the side here, got your cyclone baffle thing inside, and then we're going to have a pipe out the top. It's going to come out the top, hit a right angle, hit a 90 on the 6-inch main line, come across, and then we're going to drop it down, and then it's going to go straight into the back here. And we're going to see if that works. What do you reckon? Yeah, so we're going to see if that works. I don't know whether it will or not, but it's worth a go. I know a lot of them, they struggle with the super fine dust, and super fine dust is what we're trying to sort out. But the cost of the drum was like 30 quid, so, and I have all the other parts left over. That's why that's why we're using bits of flexi hose and stuff like that. It's not gonna look mega nice, but if it works, then maybe we can duct it in properly, and if it doesn't work, then we know that we're gonna have to spend some proper money and figure that out. But yeah, let me know what you think below. I'd love to see whether you think it's a good idea, bad idea, or what. But anyway, you'll have a good one, alright? We'll soon see.